Hi everybody, it's Austin. And for the problem today, I'm going over brief exercise 12-6. So for this problem, we have to figure out the cash flow statement with the indirect method. So it states, for my problem, the comparative balance sheets for Metlock Incorporated show these changes in non-cash current asset accounts. Accounts receivable decreased $87,100. Prepaid expenses increased $28,200. And inventories increased $42,800. Compute net cash provided by operating activities using the indirect method, assuming that the net income is $201,500. So to start off, we have to come up with the name, and for the name, we're actually going to be doing cash flows from operating, because we know it's the operating activities. So we know that this part, we have to put the net income in here so we can build off for the net cash provided. And we know that for my problem, the net income is $201,500. And then it states here, adjustments to reconcile net income to here, we're going to be doing, we know that it's the net cash provided from operating. So we're just going to choose the net income reconcile. So here, we know that the first one listed is the accounts receivable decreased by $87,100. So we would put decrease in accounts receivable, and then the amount listed, which for me is $87,100. The next one would be prepaid expenses increased by $28,200. So when it comes to the net cash, we have to minus that from the net income to get the true net cash amount. So we're going to do negative sign 28,200. And then for the third one, we know that inventories increased for the problem. For my problem, it increased is 42,800, so we have to take that off the net income amount. So let's add that up. So 87,100 minus the 28,200 from the increase in prepaid expenses, and then minus the increase in inventories, which for me equals 16,100. So now what we will do is we will come to the closing section, and this yet again, this is telling us the adjustments. Right here is telling us the adjustments to the net cash provided by operating activities, and here is the actual amount for the net cash provided by operating activities. So we would do 201,500 plus 16,100, which would give us $217,600, which is the correct net cash provided by operating activities for my problem.